just want to say big thanks to your support. And our last video is close to over 200 views within 6 days. These are the these are the good things I'm looking up to. These are the things I'm grateful for. Because when I kickstarted it, I posted for like 4 weeks, I got just 6 views. But now, within 2, 3 days, the views is racking up, and we are going to get there. And one thing I just want you guys to do, if you can just keep on subscribing, keep on watching, keep on sharing my videos to others people to know better, to see better. Me and my team, we are going to give you the best podcast here in Nigeria and global. Thank you guys. Why do you think many people are failing in Forex today?
Okay, that's a very good question. The reason why many people are failing in Forex, in the sense that, firstly, most of them come into Forex trading just because of the money. Right, everybody are there because of the money.
Yeah.
I'm also trading because of the money.
Mhm.
But they don't have that patience to go through the learning process. So they're just there just to, I want to make money. Like, okay, they start trading, let's say this month,
Okay.
their expectation is that next month they should be able to buy a Lamborghini. They should be able to do this and that. So with that mindset, coming to Forex trade with that mindset is a no-no.
And who are you?
I am Daniel Akinduro,
Okay,
and most people know me as Amazing.
that's amazing. That's amazing. So, how do you know so much about this Forex of your time?
Okay. I came into Forex through a friend of mine,
All right.
very close friend of mine. He was on that, I heard about Forex, but I don't know how to go about it. So he also had that idea at that time. So he wants to start. So he dragged me into it. Then we started it together. We started learning. That was 2020.
That was the COVID
Yeah,
time.
that period of lockdown and all.
Lockdown, yeah.
So we started it together. We started learning and self-learning,
Self-learning.
YouTube and other stuff. So he had an opportunity to meet a guy from, I think, Kenya.
Okay.
So the guy was not putting him through, gave him this course, because it's what's this guy's name? It's about, I've forgotten the mentor's name. It's about trend line and other things we need.
All right.
So the guy gave him the course. He started it. So he shared it to me. So that was when the process got easier.
Easier, okay.
Yes. So we're able to know the direction we're supposed to go to directly, instead of beating around the bush and all and all and all. So it was one that pushed me into Forex. He dragged me with him into Forex.
So when do you become a real Forex trader? Putting your own actual money into it.
The first time I put my money into Forex was, I think that was 2021. 2021. I will never forget that day. That day, I was into event planning, decoration, and all. So I did a particular work. It's not directly my work. It's about interior decor.
Okay.
So because I was into decoration, so the person reached out to me. So I reached out to the guy who is into interior decor. So after the job, the guy gave me my own percentage of the money. So through that, I took the money. Okay, let me deposit. I think that was $30 then. I think I spent like, I think dollars was around 1,000 then. So I think 30,000 for $30 or something like that range. So that was the first time I put my money into Forex. And within, let me say, I wanted to bob my head that day. So I was like, okay, after when I deposited that money, I was like, it was around 2:30. So I was like, okay, maybe 3 o'clock, I'll go get my haircut. So I was checking the chart, just enter the trade. Then at 2:35, I deposited the money. Around 2:40, no, Money again in my account.
What is the number one lie beginners believe? Okay, I want to go into trading, forex trading, and I don't know anything about it. You understand? What makes me get interested to it is because I believe in something. What is that thing that beginners believe when they are going to forex?
Like I said, like the first question you asked me,
Okay.
I said, so it's still same thing as the number one lie that we all give ourselves when we first go into trading. That's I want to make huge amount of money next week. I want to make this money next month. So that's the number one lie we all give ourselves. I want to buy the house next month.
Within 2 months,
Yes,
buy
that's
house. Okay, what causes most people to blow their account in the first few weeks? What causes them to blow their account?
Okay. What causes traders to blow their account in the first 2 weeks is few weeks is firstly I'll first say lack of knowledge.
Okay.
Lack of knowledge.
Can you expatiate more on it?
Okay, that lack of knowledge is coming into trading without the basic knowledge.
Okay.
Without knowing what you are going there to do.
Okay.
Many of them just think it's not just to buy and sell. So that many of them think it's not just to buy and sell. So if it's coming down, I'll click the sell button. If it's going up, I'll click the buy button.
Okay. If it's coming down, you take the sell. That's coming down means what?
That the market is selling.
Is very good.
Yes. That if you predict that it's coming down,
okay,
and you sell, you are going to be in profit.
Wow.
So now that they don't have the knowledge, so they just say, okay, price is coming down, let me sell. And that sell might just be the retracement for a buy.
Okay.
So when they sell, the market will reach a point, turn back, then start buying. So now because they don't have that knowledge, so they are just selling without no basic knowledge of it. So most people lose their money like that. So secondly, after the lack of knowledge,
okay,
you cannot say some people can't control their emotions. Like when they are in the trade, they can predict right the market. Some people have the knowledge. Now they predict the direction of the market. Now they want to sell. The price is selling. They are in the sell already. But a little retracement, they're already scared that, oh, my money is going. So they'll go out of the trade. So they start going out of the trade like that, cutting their losses, cutting the losses. And it's not that the trade is not going to their direction, but they are scared of losing that money. And the reason why they are scared of losing that money is just because that the money they put into the account is not the money they can afford to lose.
Okay, it's not the money they can afford to lose. Okay.
So that's why we say when you want to deposit, use the money you can afford to lose.
Use the money
you can afford to use. You cannot say, okay, let me just sharply use my house rent
to trade.
So I'll be able to make small money, then pay my house rent. So any small retracement in the market, you'll be scared. You'll be like, my money is going.
That's it.
You
blow up your account.
And some of them might not be able to cut their losses short. Now, like the person who used house rent now, he can just leave the trade and just withdraw the remaining and just look for other means to get the money back and leave. While some people cannot cut their losses short, they'll be like, okay, the market will turn back. Meanwhile, the market is buying. Why did they are selling? The market will turn back. So cutting your losses short is a good.
Cutting your losses short.
Yeah, it's a good thing in trading also. So you know how to cut your losses short.
So if you can't cut your losses short, it causes you to blow up your account within few weeks.
Yes.
This is amazing.
Not even few weeks. You can lose that account that same day.
If you can't cut your losses short, if you can't control your emotions, and if you don't have the basic knowledge of Forex.
That is
and
there's something we call risk management. some people don't know how to use their risk management.
Risk management. Can you please tell me more about risk management?
Okay, risk
for the people out
management
there?
is now I'm going into the trading. I deposited $1,000.
Okay.
So I have a risk management of that. Okay, I'm risking 1 to 2% of my account per trade.
What does that 1 to 2% mean?
So 1% of 1,000 is how much?
$100.
$100. So I'm going to lose $100 per trade.
You know, 1% of $1,000.
Yes.
That is $10.
Oh, sorry, $10.
That is $10. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, $10.
10% is $100.
Yeah. So 1%, I'm going to lose 1% to 2% of my $1,000.
That is on $10 to $20.
$10 to $20
okay.
per trade.
Okay.
So when I'm going in a trade with 1% to 2%,
Okay.
that's $10 to $20, and I'm ready to make times 3 and times 5 of it. We call it 1:3 or 1:5.
So 1:3, 1/3. Maybe
that 1:3 is I'm using $10 to make $30. 1:4, I'm using $10 to make $40. 1:5, I'm using $10 to make $50.
That's good.
So that's it. That will call risk management. Why some people don't have that risk management? If you don't have that risk management, you will not last long
in the market.
The aim of this trading is just for you to be able to stay long. When you stay long in this industry, you will make more money. But if you are not able to stay long, you will lose your money, then you will go out of Forex trading totally. So when you know how to use your risk management well,
very well,
you will stay long in the industry and you will make money. Because you can't just go into a trade now, risking like you don't know about risk management. They just enter the trade. There are some lot size you use. When you use the lot size that is not going, what do you call it? Lot size. Lot size.
What lot size? What does that mean?
Okay, lot size is the how will I put it? Okay, let me use betting as an example. Okay. If you want to stake on a bet, you just stake on a bet. If you use, I'll use the money as an example. Okay, let me use the odd.
Okay.
As an example. You know, when you stake on 2 odd, you get, if you use 1,000, you are getting 2,000, right?
Yes.
That's 1:2.
You're risking 1,000 to get
2,000. That's 1:2.
Yes.
So the lot size now is the money you are putting into it. If I put 1,000, I'll be getting 2,000. Then I'm losing. If it goes against me, I'm losing 1,000. So if I put 5,000, how much will I lose? 5,000. Then I'll be making 10,000
if you win.
But now let's go back to trading. Now you don't know this lot size is too much. That's now if you go to the chart, if you go to the trading your MT5, there's a place you see 0.1. Those are the lot size.
Quick shout out to one of my guys. His name is Bola, but in social media name is Dr. TGB I Sell Wells, and this is his phone number. He sells different kinds of jersey. The one I'm putting on right now is the one that sells it. And most of my session that you guys normally see, those beautiful jersey I normally wear, is the one that sells everything. He sells something luxurious. Go check him out. He's a very nice guy. So as you were saying, the lot side, I want you to emphasize more on it, my friend.
So I say lot size is a standard unit of the currency you buy or sell.
Okay.
In a single transaction.
Okay.
So the lot size determines the volume of your trade.
Okay, I get it now.
So there's a standard lot size, there's a micro lot size, there's mini lot size, and
just
so on
like
and so forth. Yes.
I get that point now.
So now, let's say I'm using a lot size of 0.1. And I'm in a trade whereby my stop loss is on 10 pips. That 0.1 now will give me a losing trade of $10.
0.1.
0.1 give me a losing trade of $10.
Okay.
Now because I know I have the knowledge and all, so I know okay, I want to risk $10 of in my account and I have 10 pips. So I will go in with 0.1 lot size.
Okay.
Now someone that don't have that knowledge or don't have any understanding of anything, now just go into the trade with any lot size. If you go into the trade with one standard lot size, that 10 pips is going to take $100 from me.
Ah, that's how it works.
That's how it works. $100.
So the lot
Why
side,
me
the lot
that
side
use
really means
0.1, I will go out with $10.
dollars.
So the lot size really matters also.
The lot side really matters.
The lot size really matters. So you know how to use your lot size well.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
So the people that don't have the understanding of that, will just go into the market with any lot size. Before you know, that's why in a few seconds your money is gone. That lot size, I said that one standard lot size, if you use it for that 10 pips, it will give you $100 loss. Now imagine the person that went in with 10 lot size, the money is gone.
That is 1,000.
With is the money that 10 pips, the money is gone.
Let's move on to the next question, my friend. That's amazing. I'm going to use myself. There was this time I had so much interest in going to Forex.
Okay.
Why? It's because I see a lot of people posting, this is what I just profited from it. This is this. But one thing that stopped me from venturing into it is that I don't know who is real and who is a scammer. And most of the time, a lot of people talk about this as well. After I paid this so amount and I was added into this group, there is nothing there. How can someone who doesn't know anything about Forex but they want to learn, they have the money, how can you differentiate this is a real Forex trader and this is a scammer? What are the things they should look out for?
Okay. Now, are you talking about giving out signal or to learn from the person?
I feel like to learn, to give out signal as well, you understand? But let's just start with to learn, then we move to the signal aspect.
Okay, so I'm down to learn how to trade this Forex market. Firstly, you don't look at the lifestyle of the person.
Okay.
Because I think majority of people look at the lifestyle. They'll be like, this person is living this lifestyle. Okay, let me register under him and start learning.
Why? Let me tell you something. There's what we call role model. I can see this person and is living good. I'm going to use this person as my role model. So looking at the lifestyle, do you mean it's a very wrong thing for?
No, it's not. It's not a wrong thing to look at the lifestyle.
Okay.
Now the lifestyle is there.
Okay.
You've seen the lifestyle. Okay, this person is making money. It's okay. What is he doing? Is it Forex? Okay, it's Forex, and it's what I want to do. Now the next thing is down to look into the person. Okay, is this person actually trading? Is this person actually trading? Go to his page. If he has done some trading, like live trading,
some live trading,
some live trading.
Live trading.
Look at his records. Look at his past records and all. So if he has done live trading and it's okay, it's cool, he made some money and this and mind you, losses. There's losses in this industry also.
Yeah, of course I know.
As long as there's profit, there's also
losses
also. But we make sure the profit is more than the losses. So look at the person after the last lifestyle. Is this person actually trading? Has he done a live trading section and all like that? Can he analyze the market well for me to know, okay, this is the person I will learn from? So don't just look at only the lifestyle. Look at the trading aspect too. Look at the trading aspect too. Look at his past records and all. So with that, you should be able to know the right person on.
So let's go about what's the danger of depending on signal without understanding the market structure?
Okay, the danger of
depending on signal,
only
without
signal without
understanding the market
understanding
structure.
the market. Okay. Firstly, is the person you are receiving a signal from might be using a $10,000 account. While you that paid for the signal might just be using maybe $100 account. So the person is like, I'm going in now on this trade. I'm going in with a 1 lot size or 10 lot size, and you don't have understanding of
What does that lot size mean?
what does that lot size mean and all. So if you also go into the trade with that 10 lot size, your account is gone.
Okay, I get it now.
So you taking signal from someone must be able to know how to manage your trade, how to use the right lot size, how to manage your trade also.
Okay.
So not just following the signal, but what can you do when the person is not available to tell you to leave the trade or close the trade?
Okay.
If the person was not able to tell you, okay, use this lot size, so you should be able to have that understanding and that knowledge to know, okay, if the person tells me, okay, I'm going in on a Euro USD trade, this stop loss is 15 pips stop loss, the take profit is 45 pips.
Okay.
So if the person just post it like that on the group, so it's not left to you that have that knowledge to know, okay, I'll use this lot size
to
enter this
trade,
this signal.
Okay.
So that I'll be my losses won't be much and I'll make more.
That's okay. That's good. How do brokers play a role in traders' losses?
Okay. The brokers. Well, I'll just keep this short.
Okay.
Yeah. When you're about to start trading, just look for a broker that is regulated.
That is regulated.
Regulated in your country or
anywhere.
Just make sure the brokers are regulated. Don't just go into trading with any kind of broker, because some brokers will use commission and spread to destroy the trading for you.
What do bullish and bearish markets really means in the practice? Because I don't know. Tell me.
Hope you're not thinking bullish is like the bear or something like
I'm
that.
thinking, yeah, maybe bull and bear,
Yeah,
thinking about it.
It's the bullish as a bull, you understand? The bearish, the
as a
bear.
bear, yeah.
So in the forex, the bullish means when the price is buying or the price is going up.
That's the bullish.
Yes. So when a particular price is going up, it's when the price is on an uptrend.
Okay.
When the price is buying, we say, okay, this price is bullish. On GBP USD.
Okay.
That means I want to buy it.
You want to buy it?
Yeah, I want to buy the pair because it's on an uptrend.
Okay.
Because it's going up. Now, if I tell you I'm going bearish on this pair, that means I want to sell it because it's on a downtrend.
Because it's on a downtrend. So it's just like word and opposite.
Yeah, so bullish for the upside, bearish for the downside.
So there's this thing, some people, I think you talked a little bit about it the other time. I've seen a guy, they know so much about this. Signals is very good, but to be sincere, he's not making money there. What can he say is the main cause for it? You know the right direction, you know the right decision. What might be the main reason for you not to be making it? And you are still losing, even though you know the signal, even though you know when to buy, the bullish, the bearish, you know all these things, but you still lose. What might be the reason?
Okay. So you are saying the person know how to analyze the market?
Yes, I know about it.
You know how to predict, but still yet is making losses.
Because do you know why I know that he knows? Because there are some people they learned from him. They're doing well. Like even though he's not that big well.
Yes.
But
So
you are not doing
that,
well.
That kind of person, the person might be suffering from FOMO.
What's FOMO?
The fear of missing out. Now, instead of the person waiting for the trade to retest, the person might feel like, oh, the trade might not come back. Let me just buy like that. And when you enter the trade like that, now the place is going to place the stop loss. It won't have an actual place to place his or her stop loss. So it might just put the stop loss anywhere. Then when the price eventually retraces down,
Okay.
to retest that zone for the buy to continue. So because it did not place the stop loss well, not at the right place, then price just take him out, then move.
So that's are the things that make some people lose.
That FOMO. Another one is over leveraging.
Tell me about over leveraging.
Over leveraging your account is entering multiple trades. No, not multiple trades. That's over leveraging your account. That's using the lot size that is not suitable for your account, for that your balance. You have a $50 account. You are now using is a one standard lot size. You are over leveraging that account.
Okay.
Because one lot size on that $50 account is you are totally over leveraging the account. If a 5 pips retracement will take the account out.
Okay. Over leveraging.
Yes. So you are using the lot size not suitable for that your account. So that's what I can say about over leveraging that account.
Okay.
So that's why we said the last time that lot size, the use of lot size is very crucial.
Very crucial.
The last thing I can say on that also is about when the person revenge trades. That's revenge trading.
Tell me more about that revenge trading.
Okay, the person goes into a trade after analyzing the market. The person predicts that okay, this market should sell. Then at the end of the day, the market took him out.
Okay.
After taking that loss, instead of the person to go back, wait for another setup, analyze another market or the same market well, then take the trade again. Now, because the person lost that trade, immediately he's already looking for another trade. Okay, let me just enter this trade. Let me just enter this trade. So that psychology is not there yet. So that event trading, you just have to be patient. After taking a particular loss, don't go into another trade immediately just to recover that previous loss.
Yeah. That's good. That's awesome. Let's stop it there. I want you to tell me the psychology part of Forex.
Okay. The psychology part of Forex trading. Now, there's a saying that 90% psychology and 10% strategy.
Oh, 90% psychology.
If you have the strategy and your psychology is not right, you continue to make losses because your psychology has to be right. So you have to stop over trading. You have to stop revenge trading.
Okay.
You have to use your risk management well. Now, when you go into trading with the money you can't afford to lose, your psychology cannot be right. Any single retracement, you are already scared. Oh, my money is going. My this is that. I'm going to lose this money. So that's why I say, always go into trading with the money you can afford to lose. And when you're also going into trading, at the beginning, don't go into trading full time. Make sure you have something you're doing, a backup. Because trading also, it needs money.
Yeah, it needs money.
If you go into trading now full time, and you're like, okay, this trading, I want to make money for food from it, and my house rent, my this, my dad, and all, the psychology will not be right. Because you have to be in the right sense, right mind to trade well. But now you have a side work you are doing.
Okay.
You are not depending on that trading for your house rent, for food, for this and that. You already have something you are doing that can fund those things.
Yeah, I get that point.
So trading, you will trade with cool mind and the right sense. You will stop chasing trades. You will stop risking much. Then you stop the FOMO and all. But without that work, you depend solely on trading. Your psychology will not be right.
That's amazing. Let's move to the next question. What are the non-negotiable things that every trader must master before becoming full-time trader?
Okay. So the non-negotiable things are after the basic knowledge, after learning the craft. There are just two things I'll point out here.
Okay.
Patience and discipline.
They are the two negotiable things. Why do you emphasize on those two things?
Because you have to have the patience to wait for your setup to play out. You wait for the market to come to you. Don't rush into it.
To wait for the market to come
to you. It's like setting a trap. So when you set a trap, you want to catch a bushmeat on it, you have your trap here already. You don't have to pursue the bushmeat. Your trap is there already. So you wait for the bushmeat to get into your trap. Then you do what? You pick it up. So that patience is analyzing the market. You already have your setup. Okay, you're like, you want to buy this pair, this particular pair. So now you have your setup already. For those using the supply and demand, they'll wait for the market. They already mark their demand zone.
Okay.
So they'll wait for the market to pull back down to that demand zone. Then they will buy from that demand upward. Now they didn't chase it. They didn't buy from the top. They wait for the price to come down
to their limit
to buy from that demand zone. Now there's something we say in forex trading: you sell high, you buy low. So now instead of buying high, they waited for the market to come down low before they buy.
They buy.
Yes. Yeah. So they have that patience to wait for the market.
So what about discipline?
Now discipline is for you to be able to follow your trading plan. Always. You have this trading plan. So you always follow it. Follow it no matter what. Even if it give you, if you trade today with that trading plan and you make a loss on that day, the next day still follow the same trading plan.
What about if I keep on following and it's not working out fine for me? Should I keep on
that
following?
Means if you keep on following it and it's not working out fine, but your trading plan is right, then there must be something you are missing out. Maybe you are entering early,
okay,
or you are entering late.
One of those two.
One of those two. Either you are entering early or you are entering late.
That's amazing.
That's if your trading plan
is well structured. Okay.
So that's it, your patience and discipline. So those two.
How should a beginner build a forex education step by step? Like, I want it to be more practical based on what the podcast is all about, giving out real life strategy, practical stuff. How can a forex, like a beginner that doesn't know anything, but they have this passion, how can it, step by step?
For someone that doesn't want to go into trading, the first thing to do is look for the person that can teach you, a person doing well.
A person doing well.
Yeah, look for someone doing well that can teach you on how to trade.
Okay.
The person will teach you all the basic things you need to know, from structure to, if the person is using demand and supply, the person will give you basic knowledge of it, support and register, and the person will give you basic knowledge of it. So find someone who is going to be your mentor to put you through.
Mentor.
So
to
that's
put you
what.
through.
So the first thing is to look for a mentor.
Okay, that's the first thing first.
So the mentor will put you through, will make the journey easier for you.
What about if I did not see a mentor?
Yeah, there are free courses on YouTube also.
Mm-hmm.
There are so many free courses on YouTube also, which you can go through them. But why we always say look for a mentor? The person will make the journey faster and easier for you.
I get that point now. A mentor really matters.
Yeah.
Not just in Forex, in every aspect of
In
life.
every aspect of life, you have to look for a mentor who will make it easier and faster for you. Yeah.
So there is nothing like step by
Instead
step.
of when, so it took okay. As for me now, it took me years to be able to get it right
Because of what?
because I was moving from one strategy to another, from one YouTube to another, from one YouTube to another, until I now focused on one particular thing.
Hmm.
So when I focused on one particular thing, that's when I started making progress on it.
That's good.
And now I've taught some people also.
Tell me about some people that you've taught in the
Yeah,
business.
I've taught some people also. Now, within 1-2 months, they were able to analyze the market.
Wow.
The process that took me years to understand took them just a month to understand it. Then the remaining thing for them is to get their psychology right.
So, what is the biggest profit you've made in a single trade? You can just tell me the figures. You don't need to tell me the amount. Like maybe let's say in a day or in a week or in a month. You understand?
Okay, David. For someone like me, I'm coming up.
Of course, yeah.
I'm not yet at the top yet.
I feel you.
So the people at the top, we have the likes of the Abbey and co. So the biggest profit I've made in a particular trade was it's on a pop firm account.
Okay.
A pop firm account. Okay, yeah, that was $2,000.
Like how much do you use to go into the trade?
No, it was not a single trade. It was at the end of I think that was 3 weeks.
That's good.
3 weeks.
For just starting off, for just pushing, you making $2,000 within 3 weeks. That means that within a few years, boom.
Yeah, with constant stacking up and consistency.
That's good. That's good. So, what tools, platform, and routines should they follow consistently? I mean, I use the word those, the beginners. What tools, platform, and routine should they follow consistently?
Yeah, the platform, firstly, your trading view. Your trading view is very important. The trading view is where you go to analyze your chart.
Okay, your trading view.
Yeah, is where we go to analyze the market, where you see the chart.
Okay.
That's where we see the candlestick and all.
What does a candlestick mean? Tell me, what does a candlestick mean?
The candlestick represents the movement of price.
So that is what they call the candlestick.
Yeah, candlestick represents the movement of price. Now, if you go to the trading view, now I think the default candlestick color is red and black, red and blue. So one out of the two I have forgotten because I changed my own colors and all.
Okay.
So I think the red, the price, you see, okay, that particular candle is going down.
It's going down.
Then the green, green. Then the green represents
positive.
Yeah, positive. Then the red, negative. That's down and up.
Bullish, bearish.
Yeah, bullish and bearish.
So
that's the trading view. Then the other platform, the MetaTrader. We have MetaTrader 4, we have MetaTrader 5.
Okay.
That's where we execute our trades. That's where you log in your credentials from the broker you are using.
Oh.
So you log in that MT4 or 5, then you trade on that MT4 and 5. Then the last one,
the routines.
The last one I would say is you need Forex Factory. Forex Factory to check your news.
Oh.
So to check if there will be a high news coming up today.
Okay.
So if there's a high news coming up today at a particular time, you want to avoid trading at that time. If you don't trade news, you want to avoid trading at that particular time. And if you trade news, okay, I want to take this particular trade because at that high news time,
okay,
there's so much volume. There will be so much volume on that pair.
Okay.
If there's a news on GBP, on a GBP USD, that's your pounds.
Great Britain, yeah.
Yeah. If there's high news on that, the volume on that particular pair, like example GBP USD, GBP JPY, and so the volume be very volatile. The package will be very volatile at that time. So in less than 1 minute, the price can buy up to 100 pips, 50 pips.
Whoa.
In less than a second or 1 minute. Price moves, boom.
Wow.
It flies.
Wow.
Like we have the NFP.
NFP. What is NFP? Tell me what is NFP.
Don't let me get into that.
Okay, let's go.
So we have we have the high news like NFP. Now it comes out every first Friday of every month.
Every first Friday of every month.
Every first Friday of every month. NFP. So at that particular time, I think mostly it's around 130 to 230. At that time, the market is very volatile at that time. So if you are trading at that time, if you make so much money at that time or you lose so much money
at that same
time. So if you don't trade news, you avoid trading at that particular time.
Okay. So that is the routine.
So that's your trading view, your MetaTrader, and the Forex Factory.
Thank you very much. Yeah. This is amazing. You know, we've heard a lot of story, a lot of people. They've lost everything in Forex. What advice do you have for someone like that? You know, they've given up already. Or some people, they are thinking about giving up. What advice do you have for them?
Okay. I'm going to break it down into two aspects. Now, the first is for the people that have lost so much in it, and they came into the business or into the industry with the mind of making money so fast without the basic knowledge.
Yeah,
you understand? And they are not able to accept losses. They are not able to accept losses. They came into the industry with the mind of gambling. They are not ready to learn. So those set of people, I'll just tell them to just leave it.
Give up on it.
They should leave it and do something else. Because if you are not ready to learn, if you are still having that gambling mindset
yeah,
and you are not ready to accept losses, so there's no point.
And you
there's no point. Then for the other set of people that are ready to learn, after taking losses, they go back to their drawing board to do the right thing again, reshuffle themselves, look for a mentor, and they accept losses. Not like they accept losses that, okay, I'm ready to lose. But they know that, okay, after making this loss, what did I do wrong?
Yeah.
Okay, this is what I did wrong here. Okay, the next trade, I'm going to correct it. So they are ready to make the right. So the advice I'm going to give for them now is for them to look for a mentor that can put them through.
Okay.
When they have that mentor that can put them through, so everything becomes easier for them. So they will know what they are doing wrong and what they know to do, what they have to do right.
Yeah. So I want you. What final message do you have for every young people listening to this podcast right now?
Okay, my final message for every young people listening to this right now is whatever you want to do, it might not be just only Forex.
Mm-hmm.
Now everybody are looking for freedom to make so much money and have freedom.
Yeah.
So it's not just only Forex. There are other aspects you can go into. We have the crypto side, we have the Web3,
Yeah.
we have the tech bros, and
NFT.
we have the tech bros and all. So whatever aspect you are going into, make sure you have the right knowledge before going into it, before putting your money into anything at all. So the knowledge is very compulsory.
Very.
Very, very compulsory. Don't just dive into what you don't know about. So you won't come out crying and start calling that thing a scam. Because so many people have called Forex a scam.
Yeah, I once called it a scam.
Because they don't have the right knowledge. They just jumped into it. So whatever you want to do, make sure you have the right knowledge. Go through the learning process and take everything step by step. Within few years, you'll be able to get everything right. Then the next thing, money will start flowing. So
that's just it.
Everybody are into because of money.
Yeah.
So when you do everything right
money will
and
flow.
go through the process, the money is nothing
to come.
It will surely come.
That's amazing. My dear listeners, if you are just watching for the very first time, you don't need to subscribe. I give you this one for free. But if this is your second, third, fourth, fifth times, or any time you are viewing my podcast and you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Just see it as a little donation to this brand. And as you are donating by subscribing, me and my team, we won't take it for granted. We will keep on bringing guests that is going to be giving you the practical step, that is going to be giving you orientation to do something better with your lives. God bless you all. Thank you. My friend. So this is a very small souvenir me and my team we package for every guest. Can you just please read it out for us?
Okay. Moonword. We say there's no shortcut to achieving something that will stand the test of time.
Yeah, there is no shortcut.
No shortcut.
No shortcut. Until the next time, thank you. God bless you all.
Moonword talk. 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 Yeah, we be the truth. Be that light in the dark. Let the vibe come through. Growth mindset, mind check. Yeah, we break the mold. Had to hustle, build the struggle. Turn that pain into gold. Episode done, but the grind don't stop. Scraps in, tapping. Let's rise to the top. Let's rise to the top.